Imagine that you can assemble your machines from tested modules. This works with our Modular Application Creator. Our tool offers predefined modules which are selected according to the type of machine and assembled using the plug-and-play principle. To adapt the machine to the customer requirements, we select the modules and configure them based on the specification. This means that machines can be developed and delivered faster and with higher quality. The modules themselves are configured with an operator guidance and a graphically appealing interface. This offers the advantage that only a few entries are required. Finally, a running TIA portal project is automatically generated, which then can be downloaded into your machine control. We invite you to experience the Modular Application Creator live at the Interpack. We look forward to your visit in Hall 6, booth D27. Let's explore the next level of packaging.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.